Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. It's a very basic and simple exercise, but I want to bring all my exercises to my YouTube channel. So let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make, of course, a screenshot, but I think it's not necessary because it's a very simple exercise. So let's have fun with Onshape. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a rectangle, and this should be 56 by 118. Now let's make it symmetric with that midpoint constraint, so this point should be the midpoint of that line. Finish that sketch. Let's make a symmetric extrude. Symmetric, go for 60 millimeter with that sketch here and confirm. Now I want to go for a fillet, a full round fillet. Full round, that's the first face, that's the second face, and that's the one which will be removed. Confirm. First face again, another full round fillet. First face, second face, that's the one which will be removed, and confirm. Now a second sketch on the right plane. Go for a circle, make it 60 in diameter, align those 2 points vertical, add a dimension from that center point to the sketch origin, and that distance should be 30. Finish that sketch. Now let's make another symmetric extrude, add it to already existing one, and it should be 60. And of course should merge with all, and I need that sketch here. Confirm. Now, in order to make the holes, I still need a sketch point, so go for a sketch, maybe on this face, go for a point, move to the circular edge, and then go to the center here, finish this sketch, and make another sketch on that face, go for a point, move to the circular edge, move to center, confirm this. Now go for a hole, select the sketch point, it should be 30 in diameter, it should go through, that's okay, confirm, repeat the command, select this one here, go for 32, confirm, and I'm done. So I hope it was helpful, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one. Bye bye.